Welcome to my course about making money online through Google Adsense. In this course, I will be providing you the clear blueprint to make money online through Google Adsense. This is not a basic online course, but instead you will gain a lot of knowledge to do online business. And also you're going to get my traffic extractor software 100% free with this course. So before we get into the course, let me introduce myself. I'm Elodie and I have over 7 years of experience in online business. I have done marketing in many sites through which I gained a lot of profit. And in this course, I will explain you the tips to be more successful in making money online through Google AdSense. So who can take this course? Anyone who is really searching for a way to be successful to make money online through Google AdSense can take this course. You may be a fresher who has no experience in online business or the one who does not know about how to get started in Google AdSense, then this course will explain you everything. At the end of the course, it will be helpful for the one who is looking for Google AdSense techniques that brings profit without any loss. You will get knowledge about how to make money online through Google AdSense. If you use the tips provided in this course, then you can really succeed. And also you will get to know about how to make use of my traffic extractor software through which you can gain a lot of profit. Please feel free to contact me if you have any queries or issues anywhere in this course. I'm always there to support you. So I hope by now you got some idea of what this course is all about. In my next lecture, I will give you an overall view of what you are going to learn from this course.